Hey YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial video on how to solve the Leetcode number 9 palindrome number. This is one of the easier Leetcode. All you have to do is figure out if a string is a palindrome number. Now you're probably wondering, what is a palindrome number? A palindrome number is a number that reads the same forward and backwards. For example, 121 is a palindrome number because 121 backwards is 121. But if you do a number like 30 backwards is just 3, so that would not be a palindrome number. This question may pop up during your interview. What if there isn't a number in a string? If there is no number in a string, you just define it as palindrome. Let's head into VS Code and see what that looks like. So the very first thing we're going to do is see if x is less than 0. Because if x is below 0, a negative number cannot be a palindrome because then the negative will go on the other side. So how we do that is do if x is less than 0, then return false. Now all we're going to do is just create the integers, which I'm going to do int m. You can really name in anything other than x, but I'm going to make m equal x, and then int reverse equals 0. Now all we have to do is create while x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, then we're going to return when we're going to recreate what reverse is. So reverse equals two parentheses reverse times 10 plus x divided by 10. And then finish that off. And then x is not equal to 10. Once we finish the while loop, then all we're going to do is just return m, which equals reverse. Yes. And that's all you have to do for palindrome number, and let's go into Leetcode and type it up. Now that I'm here in Leetcode, I'm just going to do a quick rundown and hopefully it works. So the first thing we're going to do is check if the number is positive. So we're going to do if x is greater than 0 or less than 0, then we're going to return false. And then we're just going to create two integers, m equals x, and then int reverse equals 0. Then we're going to create a while loop for while x is greater than 0. Then we're going to do reverse equals reverse times 10 plus x divided by 10. And then x is not equal to 10. Go out of the while loop, and now return m equals reverse. Run that, and it is accepted. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something out of this.